One of the weed torches on this list can clear stubborn weeds in just seconds, while another helps you get more work done using less propane. But which one is actually worth buying? In this video, we're comparing the 5 best weed torches of 2026, breaking down their performance, features, and overall value to help you choose the right one for your needs. Starting our countdown is the Flame King Propane Torch Kit. If your outdoor projects regularly involve thick weeds, heavy brush, or stubborn ice, this torch has the power to handle them without much effort. It delivers up to 500,000 BTUs, producing a long, concentrated flame that covers large areas quickly. During testing, it proved especially effective for clearing gravel paths and driveway edges where weeds tend to grow aggressively. The package includes a long torch wand along with a 10-foot propane hose, giving you plenty of working distance while keeping the propane cylinder safely away from the flame. Although propane consumption is fairly high when running at full output, the faster working speed often makes up for it. A built-in safety valve allows the flame to shut off immediately whenever needed, giving you greater control during operation. If you're looking for one torch that can do much more than weed removal, the Flame King is an excellent all-around performer. Coming in at number 4 is the Quani High-Output Weed Torch. This model focuses on ease of use without sacrificing performance. One of its most convenient features is the built-in push-button ignition, allowing you to start the torch quickly without constantly reaching for a lighter. The ergonomic grip feels comfortable even during longer work sessions, and the trigger-style flame adjustment makes changing the heat level simple while you're working. The torch is capable of reaching temperatures of around 3,600 degrees Fahrenheit, making it more than capable of eliminating weeds growing between paving stones, sidewalks, and garden borders. The included 10-foot hose provides plenty of flexibility, and its leak-resistant valve system helps improve safety while using propane. For homeowners who want a powerful yet beginner-friendly weed burner, the Quani offers an impressive combination of convenience and dependable performance. Taking the third spot is the Sondiko Propane Weed Burner, one of the most powerful options in this category. With an output of up to 1.2 million BTUs, it generates an extremely wide flame capable of treating larger areas in much less time. During extended testing, it handled large weed patches significantly faster than lower-powered alternatives. Despite its impressive output, the torch itself remains relatively lightweight, making it easier to use during longer jobs. The extended handle also helps keep you at a comfortable distance from the flame. This isn't just a weed burner either. It's equally useful for melting ice, burning unwanted brush, removing old paint, and even certain woodworking applications that require controlled scorching. Multiple internal safety features and reinforced seals help reduce the risk of gas leaks, making it a reliable option for demanding outdoor work. Our runner-up offers something completely different. The Red Dragon Backpack Torch Kit is designed for users who regularly work across large properties. Instead of dragging a propane tank behind you, this system allows you to carry the fuel cylinder on a specially designed backpack frame, making movement much easier across farms, commercial landscapes, and larger residential properties. Producing approximately 400,000 BTUs, it provides more than enough heat for removing weeds, clearing brush, melting snow, and handling several maintenance tasks beyond lawn care. The adjustable squeeze valve allows you to reduce fuel consumption while moving between work areas, helping extend operating time from each propane refill. Built with commercial-grade components and excellent flame control, this kit is ideal for users who value mobility as much as raw performance. Taking our top spot is the Dragon VT23C, and the reason is simple. It delivers the best overall balance of power, comfort, and efficiency. Instead of chasing the highest BTU rating, this model focuses on practical, everyday performance. Its 100,000 BTU burner produces more than enough heat to destroy weeds effectively while remaining easy to control. One feature we especially appreciate is its straightforward setup. It connects directly to standard propane cylinders using a hand-tightened fitting, so you won't need extra tools before getting started. The long, ergonomic handle helps reduce bending and back strain, making routine yard maintenance noticeably more comfortable. Fuel efficiency is also one of its strongest advantages. Since the flame output is carefully regulated, you can work longer on a single propane tank compared with many higher-powered models. Built with durable materials and designed for long-term reliability, the Dragon VT23C is an excellent choice for homeowners who want dependable performance without unnecessary complexity. And that's why it earns our #1 recommendation. That wraps up our list of the best weed torches of 2026. We hope this comparison helped you find the right option for your needs and budget. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest product reviews.